Hello and welcome to Freelance with Jay, the channel where we share practical, no-fluff strategies to help you turn your skills into real income and build a successful freelance career. My name is Jaja Godswill, but you can call me Jay, your freelance guide and mentor. Now let me ask you this. Have you ever felt nervous when a client asked, "So, what's your rate?" Or maybe you agreed to a low price because you didn't want to lose the job. You're not alone. That's why today's video is all about showing you how to negotiate like a pro, so you can land better clients, earn more money, and gain the respect you deserve. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you don't miss out on any of our freelancing growth tips. Negotiation is more than just talking about money. It's your superpower as a freelancer. Here's why. Number 1, it helps you get paid what you truly deserve. No more underpricing yourself. Number 2, it protects your time and energy. You're not working endless hours for little pay. And number 3, it builds client respect and trust. When you negotiate with confidence, clients see you as a professional worth investing in. So, negotiation isn't just about making money. It's about setting boundaries and building credibility. Step 1. Know your value. Let's be honest, if you don't believe in the value of your work, no client will. Start by understanding your skills and knowing what the market is paying for them. Then, track your results. Did your design help a client sell more products? Did your writing bring more engagement? These results are your bargaining power. And finally, confidence. Confidence is magnetic. Clients can feel it. If you show up unsure, they'll negotiate you down. But if you know your value, you negotiate from a place of strength. Step 2. Do your homework. Imagine walking into a negotiation blind, with no clue what others are charging or what the client truly needs. That's a recipe for being underpaid. Research industry rates. There are plenty of online resources for this. Study your client's business. Ask yourself, what problem are they trying to solve? And finally, clearly define the scope of work. The more informed you are, the harder it is for a client to lowball you. Step 3. Communicate clearly. Many freelancers lose deals, not because they're bad at their job, but because they fail to communicate properly. Be polite, but firm. Don't use vague phrases like, "I'll try my best." Instead, be specific about what you'll deliver. And most importantly, shift the conversation away from just price. Focus on the value you bring, whether that's saving the client time, boosting their sales, or improving their brand. Step 4. Offer options. Here's a pro tip. Don't just give one price. Instead, create packages: basic, standard, and premium. This puts the client in control. They feel like they're choosing. But in reality, you're still steering the conversation. Plus, it makes you look more professional, flexible, and trustworthy. Step 5. Handle pushback like a professional. Every freelancer has heard it. That's too expensive. But here's the secret, it doesn't always mean they can't afford you. Sometimes, clients just want to test if you believe in your price. Instead of panicking or lowering your rate immediately, re-emphasize your value. Show them why your service is an investment, not an expense. And if they still won't budge, be ready to walk away. Remember, no deal is better than a bad deal. Step 6. Always use contracts. A contract isn't about mistrust, it's about clarity. It protects your payments, defines deadlines, and ensures both sides know exactly what to expect. And here's the truth. Clients respect freelancers who use contracts, because it shows you're serious about your work. Step 7. Think long-term. A negotiation done well doesn't just get you a project, it builds a relationship. When a client feels they got fair value, they'll come back again and again. And repeat clients are worth more than constantly chasing new ones. Respect creates partnerships, and partnerships create stability in your freelance career. Here's the golden rule. Negotiation isn't about one person winning and the other losing. It's about creating a win-win deal. When you grow, your clients grow too. And when your clients succeed because of your work, they'll never hesitate to pay you what you're worth. Freelancers who negotiate smart earn more, stress less, and build stronger client relationships. Now it's your turn. Start applying these steps and watch how your freelance career changes. If you found this video helpful, don't just keep it to yourself. Hit the like button, share it with other freelancers, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Freelancing and AI. How to use artificial intelligence to boost your freelance career. Trust me, that's going to be a game changer. Until then, this is Jay, reminding you, your skills are valuable, don't settle for less.